Hey guys, we are now break time for a while, 15 minutes. And this time guys, I am now eating my snack time, biscuit guys, and then water. Look my water guys, there's a rating name which is Let's Go. And that's my co-workers guys.
Oh, kaway.
Yes, shoot out. Shout out my friend.
Kaway guys.
Yes.
Welcome to my vlog.
Yes, you will now see in YouTube. Just visit in YouTube at Leonard's Kadayuna or in shortcut. Let's Go Entertainment. Yes, they also taking and eating their snack food guys. Biscuit. The other guy is biscuit and the other guy is bread. And the other guy is cleaning his tools.
Social.